Good morning, sunshines. What happened? What? Why are you meowing? You want some more? Okay, I'm petting you. Look at him. He's asking me to pet him by meowing out loud. You too? Don't be afraid of me, little thing. Which one are you meowing? You? Oh, look at him purr. Whoa, that's a big belly. Good morning, guys. Are you all wake up? Hey. Hey, Calico. Hey, beautiful Calico. Okay, I'm not petting her. I'm only petting you. You're a jealous kitty. Hey. Don't do that, little Calico. He's your friend. Look at her. Mean little kitty. Are you jealous? Aww. Hey, little girl. What? You want me to pick you up? Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay, I know. And you wanna go right now? Okay, don't be afraid. Okay. You all wake up. Let's give you guys food. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm talking to you. Are you ready? You look sleepy. You look sleepy. Where's talkative kitty? Hey, you're a vocal kitty. Look at it. Look at it. Hey. Morning, zoomies. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. What? You hungry? You hungry? Yeah, you're hungry. Come on. Okay. You hungry? Yeah, I think you're hungry. You hungry? You look sleepy, but you're hungry. I know that. Come on. You hungry? Come on, let's go. Hey, Sleeping Beauty. Are you eating dry fruit? Hey. Come on, come on, time to eat something. Something you really like. Hey. Hey, you're so strong. Come on. Look at it right away. Are you done? And when they full, they stay back and let their other friends and brother and sisters eat. Right? Look at it, silly face. By the way, we only 2 or 3 female kittens, and the rest of them are male, especially orange ones. But we have one missing orange. Only 3. Yeah. Hey, Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, come here. Come here. Let it go. Let it go. Time to eat something. No. No sleeping. No sleeping. They got apartments. 6 of them. And we have 9 kitties. Some of them has a roommate. Hey roommate, can I stay there? No. Hey roommate, what you doing?